This question, cos x is 1 over 7. So we have to find all the possible values of sec x over sec x minus tan x over sine x. Okay. So for all the possible values, that's an interesting question because if cos x is 1 over 7, then the possible quadrants of x are quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Because only in these two quadrants we have all the we have cosine as positive. Now, if cos x is 1 over 7, then if we draw a triangle and this is x, then cos is adjacent, which is 1, over hypotenuse, which is 7. So opposite is not known to us. Let's call it a. So we'll write, as per the Pythagoras theorem, a square plus 1 square is 7 square, which means that the value of a square is going to be 48, which means that a square is going to be 16 times 3. Why am I writing it as 16 times 3? Because if we take square root both sides, the root of 16 is just 4 and root 3 remains as it is. So that's going to be 4 root 3. Okay. Now we need to get the value of sec, tan, and sine. So sec is simply the reciprocal of sine. So sec is pretty much straightforward. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec is pretty much straightforward. There's no confusion in it. That's going to be 7. But what about tan and sine? So tan and sine has two possible options. Case 1 is if x is in quadrant 1. So in quadrant 1, all the trigonometric functions are positive. So tan is going to be opposite, which is a, which is 4 root 3, over adjacent, which is just 1. And sine is going to be opposite, which is 4 root 3 over hypotenuse, which is 7. So the value of sec x minus tan x over sine x is going to be 7 minus 4 root 3 over 4 root 3 over 7. This 7 goes in the numerator, so that's coming as 49 minus 28 root 3 over 4 root 3. So I've just distributed this 7 to both of these terms. So this is one of the possible solutions. An other possible solution is case 2, if fx is in quadrant 4. And in quadrant 4, remember that tan and sine both are negative. So the value of tan x is going to be negative 4 root 3, and the value of sine x is going to be negative 4 root 3 over 7. So if we plug these in, the value comes out as 7 plus 4 root 3 over minus 4 root 3 over 7. So that's going to be 49 plus 28 root 3 over 4 root 3 along with the minus sign outside. Thank you.